Hello, hello, how are you today? I hope you're doing super well in the house. This week we have done 5 activities of bilingual project and we are socializing the answers in the video conferences. But this video it's completely different. Why? Because this activity it's an option. That means that when you finish all the classes and all the activities, if you still have time and you want to continue learning, you can have this exercise. This one for today, it's a game about left, right, and middle to identify that in the game. In the second part, we're going to look at a drawing and then I'm going to explain how did I do the drawing using the directions like up, down, left, or right. That is very important because later in the third part you are going to listen some directions and you will try to discover a drawing. So the first one, you enter to the link. Remember to click Control and then click it's a little bit slow, just be patient. And that link is going to show you this. This game, it's about to identify where is the cell phone. So you need to say if it's in the right, if it's in the center, or if it's in the left. But look, is this the left or is this the left? So the cell phone, it's in the right. So I need to click. So it's very tricky because it's not according to, the names are not according to what is correspond, what is correct. So you need to read very carefully where is the lamp because under or below is right. Is the lamp in the right? What do you think? Let's try to put right, and it's not correct. So I'm not gonna do the whole game with you. The idea is that you practice it. And then I put here an example or what is the game about. In the second part, I'm showing you this. This is the drawing that at the end I'm going to have when I follow these instructions. So the idea is that here you start drawing what it says. We have done an activity very similar to this one at the beginning of the quarantine, that it was a butterfly. But in the case of the butterfly, I show you these directions. In this time, I'm not going to show you the directions. I'm going to say the directions and you are going to draw the picture. So, I'm going to say the directions to draw the dog because this is the example. 2, diagonal. So, this is diagonal. 2, diagonal up. 1, right. 1, diagonal down. 1, down. 2, diagonal left. 4, right. 1, diagonal up. 2, down. 3, diagonal down. 3, diagonal left. 2, left. 2, diagonal up. and 3 up. 1 diagonal right, 1 up, and 2 left. As you can see, these instructions are to build the duck. 2 diagonals up, right, 1 diagonal down, so you can see that the pattern is correct. Anyway, you need to follow also these instructions, very similar, to draw something in here. I gave you here the starting point of the duck, so in here I'm also going to give you the starting point. You can print it, or if you want, you can do it in your patterns notebook, okay? And the first instruction that I'm going to give you is going to the right, okay? So I'm going to do it one time, but you can repeat the video as many times as you want. To do the drawing, you need to draw 3 to the right. Then you need to draw 3 up. Then 1 left. Then 3 up. Then 2 right. 1 up. 2 left. 1 up. 2 right. 1 up. 2 left. 1 up. 1 left. 7 down. 1 left. And 3 down. So I hope that if you didn't understand some of the instructions, you can go back to the video and you can play it again. But the idea is that you try to listen all the instructions so you can find the drawing. And next time in another class, you can tell us what is the final picture. Bye!